So, happy morning, everyone, and welcome
Happy morning.
to 17 of our magic book
Happy
journey.
morning to all.
Happy morning.
We have the videos on. Lovely, lovely. Nice to see such beautiful faces in the morning. Lovely. All of us smiling, joyful, excited. Awesome. So, are you all feeling full of health? How was it?
Yes.
Yes. Amazing.
Full of health.
Full of health. So, anybody has anything to share before we start today's session?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm
Yes.
super excited to share today.
Lovely.
Yesterday I practiced 4-5 practices. I planned my day. In the morning I gave thanks to everybody when I wake up. But then in the afternoon I did healing the relationship again, and it was amazing. मतलब कुछ फील ही नहीं हुआ अभी, कुछ ऐसे रोना तो क्या, कुछ भी फील नहीं हुआ अभी ऐसे. देन फिर से मैंने हेल्थ के लिए भी विजुअलाइजेशन किया, और सबसे बड़ी बात ये थी कि मैंने बहुत सारे इंटेंशंस दिए थे कि बच्चे कल का सेशन शुरू करें. I gave my good intentions for 6 kids of my family. But इतना ग्रेट मतलब इतना मेरा फीलिंग था कि आई कैन जॉइन 16-17 किड्स यस्टरडे. मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा. मैंने जिसको भी कॉल किया, जिसको भी बताया, सब ने एक ही मिनट में हाँ बोल दिया. किसी ने कुछ और ऐसे देखेंगे सोचेंगे कुछ नहीं, सबने सुपर ऐसे एक ही मिनट में मैंने बताया हाँ हम करेंगे, आंटी वी विल डू. मतलब हम स्टार्ट लिंक भेज दो.
Yes,
बच्चे
thank you.
मुझे बहुत टेंशन था, बिकॉज 7 to 7:40 मेरा बहुत हेक्टिक पीरियड. कलेक्टिव प्रेयर्स हम करते हैं तो बहुत हेक्टिक रहता है. मुझे था कि हो जाएगा, बट आई विजुअलाइज्ड कि नहीं, तब टाइम टू टाइम होगा. एंड एट डॉट 7:45 माय किड्स वर ऑन द टेबल विद देयर फोन्स. मतलब इतना मुझे ऐसे लगा हाँ वो आ गया,
आपकी वॉइस क्रैक हो रही है पूजा जी. योर वॉइस इज क्रैकिंग. चेक योर वाईफाई प्लीज. नेटवर्क कनेक्शन शायद बराबर नहीं.
Hina, now it's coming.
Yeah, now it's better.
थैंक्स टू हिना जी. उन्होंने मुझे अभी सॉन्ग्स में हैप्पीनेस ढूंढना सिखा दिया है. और कल ऐसा हुआ कि जो मुझे फील हो रहा था ना, वो सॉन्ग मैंने ट्वाइस सुना. और वो सॉन्ग था आज मैं ऊपर आसमान नीचे, आज मैं आगे जमाना है पीछे, टेल मी ओ खुदा. इट वाज रियली लवली. मतलब रात को जब मैं सो गई, आई हैड एम्पल ऑफ टाइम. मैंने कल मेरे किड्स के साथ गेम्स भी खेले रात को. मतलब everything worked very well yesterday.
Beautiful. And keep on giving such powerful intentions so that you can bring more and more magics into your life. Thank
और
you.
मैं आपकी इस सेंटेंस में कुछ ऐड ऑन करना चाहूंगी. आपने बोला ना कि मैं आगे जमाना पीछे, लेकिन मैं ये मानती हूँ कि हम सबको साथ में, क्योंकि टोच पर पीक ऊपर तो एक ही आदमी रह सकता है, तो हमको अकेले तो रहना ही नहीं है. अकेला अलोन फील नहीं करना है, तो सबको साथ में लेके चलना है.
सबको साथ में लेके ही चलना.
तो आप अब ये ऐड ऑन करके बोलना.
श्योर.
हिना बेन, थैंक यू. वेरी वेल सेड हिना बेन.
हिना बेन, जिन्होंने ये लिरिक्स लिखी है ना, उनको बोलना पड़ेगा. अभी पता करिए किसने ये लिरिक्स लिखी है, उसको रेक्टिफाई करने को बोलना पड़ेगा.
दूसरा गाना लिखो सबको साथ में लेके.
रीडिफाइन सॉन्ग.
या.
और वंदना जी,
बाय हिना जी, यस।
हाँ, कल ये पूजा जी ने बोला ना, ऐसे मैंने जिन जिन लोगों को कॉल किया था वो लोग सब ज्वाइन हो गए, और सबसे ज्यादा खुशी तो मुझे ये थी कि विश्वन ज्वाइन किया और फिनिश होके मम्मी कितने क्यूट आंटी है और कितने क्यूट क्यूट बच्चे थे इसमें, तो कि मुझे तो मजा आ गया, इतनी वो एक्साइट हो गई थी पूरा सेशन अटेंड करने के बाद।
लवली।
तो
थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू एवरीवन।
अब हमारा पूरा घर आपका दीवाना हो गया।
That will be the most beautiful thing, क्योंकि सब कोई एक ही लैंग्वेज बोलने लग जाएंगे, so everything will, पूरा मैजिक ही हो जाएगा, पूरा मैजिकल वर्ल्ड ही बन जाएगा आपका घर। वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। एंड दिस इज माई इंटेंशन कि घर में अगर एक ने किया है तो सब कोई को लेके आइए। टेल एवरीवन टू ज्वाइन, जस्ट टेल, कीप ऑन गिविंग योर इंटेंशंस। आज इंटेंशंस की बहुत अच्छी बात हुई है, हिना जी ने एंड पूजा जी, बोथ ऑफ यू गेव योर इंटेंशंस एंड यू मेड इट हैपन। तो आपके इंटेंशंस अगर पावरफुल है तो मैजिक होता ही है। सो जस्ट गिव योर इंटेंशन एंड एवरीथिंग विल स्टार्ट फ्लोइंग। So आज हमको इंटेंशन देना है मैजिक चेक पे। So who all are ready to make the magical check and bring those magical checks in your life?
Me.
Awesome, awesome. I'm so happy everyone is saying me, not we. Okay. So yes. Anybody else has any sharings? Okay, yesterday was day 0 of the session, और मैंने day 0 को 2 parts में divide किया है. Today is the second part because it was not quite possible, and some of the kids were sleeping. उनका sleeping time भी हो रहा था. So still, if you have anyone, you can call them still. Call them and tell them. Just keep on. And pregnant, Hina ji, thank you so much. You got in that pregnant lady. What? Amin something.
Shivani.
Yeah. So thank you so much. Any one of you know any other pregnant lady who wants to join? They are welcome to. You can call them today. Hai aaj ka din bhi. Just call them and tell them to submit the form and send me a hi on Telegram, and if they're interested, I'll join them in the group. मतलब वो link भेज दूंगी मैं, तो उससे they can join automatically. So yes, Nupur, thank you so much. Nupur ji,
I want to share. Yes. बस ये जो सेशन में अटेंड कर रही हूँ, that's main magic. Especially at least 3 to 4 years back, my friend has this great book, and I took from her, and I read, and I just feel that I'm part of it. And फिर जब भी वो read करती थी और जब भी ऐसा लगे तो मैंने मेरी friend को भी दिया है, जिसको भी है गिफ्ट किया है ये सीक्रेट बुक, बट मैजिक बुक मैंने रीड नहीं की थी, सीक्रेट किया था। और बच्चों को साथ जब भी किड्स को देखती थी तो लास्ट ईयर जस्ट बिफोर 1.5 year एक थॉट आया था कि मैं सभी बच्चे को लेकर एक होम थिएटर में, जब फार्म हाउसेस होता है, वहाँ होम थिएटर होता है, तो वहां लेके उनको ये सीक्रेट मूवी दिखाओ और कुछ ऐसा करूँ, क्या करूँ, जस्ट दे आर अवेयर ऑफ दिस, they just keep these things in their life, they believe in these things, this universal law. और ये सब कुछ हो रहा है, that I am a part of it, they are part of it, and सब जिसने भी, मैंने भी जिसको बोला वो सभी ने अटेंड किया। और मेरी कजिन सिस्टर की डॉटर ने, मैंने बोला तो वो बोला कि मासी मैंने तो रीड की है। मैं तो वाओ, यस, तुमको किसने कहा, आपने कहाँ से लिया? लेकिन मासी आपने तो कहा था, और मैं क्रॉसवर्ड में जाके मैं सीक्रेट बुक और मैजिक बुक लाई थी। तो ओके, दैट्स फाइन। सो इट्स रियली my dream comes true, and I'm on that way, and thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you so much. And it's just begun. Abhi to journey shuru hui hai. There's so many other things which will come on its way. The power book also iske baad mein, and that's really powerful, because wo universal power se hame connect karega, and different ways. The most beautiful power is love. So that we are going to feel connected to in the power book. So yes, the journey has just begun.
और ये जर्नी हम अपने खुद के वो चार्टर प्लेन के साथ कर रहे हैं सबका।
Lovely, lovely. So, anyone else wants to share before
I
we
want
begin?
to share.
Yeah.
So you know, when we did that homework about the 5 good things about our body, the 5 functions.
Yeah.
I think for me to show gratitude otherwise for anything outside was way more easier. But जब body की बात आई, like खुद की health की बात आई, it was so difficult, and I never realized that I've not appreciated even one thing about my body or my health till now. I think
Lovely.
that was like, that's something that really shook me up.
And then
So
after
thank you
that,
very much.
after that,
I realized there's so much crap that I think about my health which is not true. And I mean, really, there's so much good that I can do. There are, okay, fine, there are things that I need to work on, but वो एक चीज ने 90% of मेरा mindset form कर लिया था. जबकि it's the
amazing.
other way around. Like I'm fine 99%. I just need to work on 1%.
Awesome. Amazing, amazing.
So
And
that
how
had
many
become
times you
my
did?
health had become my persona.
Sorry.
No, I was saying like that, that those health problems, it had become my personality.
Yes.
So I realized what am I doing?
So now change this.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how many times did you do Vartika? Yesterday, how many times you imagined for your health? And that one part of you
I did
which
it
you like,
once.
you did it just once?
Yeah.
You can do, so it was said that you can just 3 times in a day separately.
Right.
You just remember that when you were when you felt on that your health was at its peak, those moments, remember those moments. So keep on remembering now also, and also that
Yeah.
one thing which you want to change about your health. Everyone has chosen वो एक चीज जो आपको अपने हेल्थ के बारे में इम्प्रूव करनी है, और उसके आइडियल स्टेट, like supposing you want to go off your BP medicines, so feel that आपको BP medicines नहीं लेनी पड़ रही है, आपको नहीं लेना है, मतलब आप नहीं ले रहे हो ना, नहीं लेनी पड़ रही, नहीं ले रहे हो. अगर डायबिटीज की मेडिसिन ले रहे हैं तो अब आप नहीं ले रहे हो. फील एंड थिंक योरसेल्फ, गो बैक इन टाइम एंड स्पेस जब आप बिल्कुल नहीं लेते थे कोई मेडिसिन, तो वो आपको विजुअलाइज करना है. If you are taking any other medication, just think that ideal state, आपका weight आपको जो चाहिए उस जगह पे अपने आप को महसूस करना है. Just feel that you are at that space. Okay, so like that, then the mind will start accepting a new language, and then it is real, because for the mind, whatever you feel is real. Yes, very good, Vartika. Thank you for sharing. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Vandana ji, I would like to share. Shikha here. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Yes.
Yeah, I am so thankful to you. I would start with that. I'm really thankful and grateful to you, because one thing I have been writing since long. It's not today that I've started writing gratitude, but it's not about gratitude that I was writing, but you brought in this. And it came to me so beautifully that we are not writing about the relationships in which we have grudges. We are not writing about those grudges. We are writing about the positive things. So, and everything is positive, whether health. I'm not complaining of my health when I'm thinking of my health. I'm writing positive things. Like yesterday, I went for my walk, which I went after quite some days, and I was not very confident. I have lost confidence into myself since quite some days. I did not even put a thought in I should imagine myself I'm confident, I'm walking like an 18-year-old with a shine in my eyes. It just came to me magically. Trust me, it was pure magic. And I did not, मतलब मेरे को सोचने के लिए, मुझे सोचना नहीं पड़ रहा था, वरना मुझे ये सोचने के लिए भी डर लग रहा था कि मैं ये कैसे सोच सकती हूँ. And it came to me. So I just, and it was coming to me over and over again. It was very beautiful, very magical. And one thing which when I was writing also about my full health, it was so beautiful. I could feel it. Even when I'm talking to you right now, I'm getting goosebumps all over. It is very beautiful. It makes me feel very nice. And I'm doing both simultaneously, the missed sessions also. So it is like a bonus to me, I feel, because it's going hand in hand. The previous practice of health is going hand in hand with what we are doing now. So I think that's very, very magical for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
Thank you to this book. Thank you to this wonderful book which we are going through. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing, Shikha. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Well, thank you.
Yes, so anybody else wants to share before we start today's chapter? Ishita ji, you wanted to share yesterday, and I can see Rushabh also, so you want to share?
I actually forgot what I had to say.
Okay.
So one thing I'll say that the spreadsheet what we were supposed
little louder.
Now you can hear?
Better, yeah.
Yeah. The spreadsheet what we had to make, we did make it. So I and Rishabh did that together. So it was a good project for us.
Okay.
Yeah. So we had a good fun time doing it together.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yes.
Awesome. Lovely.
Yes.
So the universe did it for you.
Yeah. So thanks to Rishabh
It
also, and thanks to
for you.
Bharat Mama to get this assignment for us,
Yeah.
Because sometimes it happens that we really don't have things to talk of. Like it's the same daily schedule right now since he's also at home, and my workplace is just 2 buildings away from my home. So I don't really meet people or do anything. And right now it's not good also to meet people. So there's nothing new or happening which is going on to discuss every time. So now we got this good topic to talk on.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yes, so it's almost ready. So I'll just share the link today.
Yeah. Okay. We're waiting for it. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And for others who don't know about you, Ishita ji, can you say, I don't know, they must be thinking, people who don't know what we are talking, that you can just mention something about you and Rushabh.
Oh, okay. So yeah, Rishabh is my fiance and
वीडियो ऑन करना बेटा.
हाँ sorry मेरे ध्यान नहीं कि बंद થઈ ગયો.
તને જો भी ગમે ને સવારમાં.
Yeah, so yeah, I and Rishabh are like we just got engaged in Jan, that is Jan 17th, and yeah, that's it. What else will I say?
Okay. Lovely. Rushabh, can we see you?
He's not with his, like he's less than full health today because of that second vaccine.
Because
He's just listening to us today. Yeah.
Okay.
He's just ready to, like, he's just listening today. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for defending him.
Obviously, I have to.
Okay. So yes, who would like to read today's chapter? Before you decide, just let's look at the picture. I'm so thankful to the computer for bringing the entire picture today. So we can see everything in one page only. Yes, everyone. So the chapter is the magic check. Let's look at the picture. There are many riddles to solve in this picture. Let me tell you before only. Let's decode the picture. And very interesting riddles are there.
The magic check is ready to come out and from cash. The pouch.
Okay.
There is a stamp.
और फोन कॉल द्वारा और भी चेक हमको मिलने का कॉल आया है टेलीफोन थ्रू.
अच्छा, ओके.
वहाँ पे जो फाइल पड़ी है वो बहुत सारे कागजात है जो शायद प्रॉपर्टी के भी हो सकते हैं, शायद
हाँ, okay.
कोई आप कोई चीज ऐसी ले रहे हो, गाड़ी या ऐसे कुछ भी चीज की कागजात हो सकते हैं वो।
ओके, ये फाइल है क्या? These are files, okay, okay, okay.
There's no smartphones, definitely online transfer नहीं है, check ही बनाना पड़ेगा. So,
हाँ, there are many official envelopes which we get, no special जो stationery में envelopes मिलते हैं. With those red and blue
yes,
diagonal lines, those are those envelopes. So this has some official or some, very important documents or maybe checks also.
Yes. So they are not files actually. They are some important papers, or maybe they have some important bills.
Yeah,
it could be anything which are paid, and they are just kept for reference. Yeah.
There is a old telephone, and also there is an envelope which has the gratitude, and the check is out of the envelope already, which I take it with. The check is already with me, and with the gratitude, with a lot of gratitude around it.
Yes. And yes, so Vatika, you said na that there's not a smartphone, and this is, so how many of you remember this phone when we were young?
I remember.
Yes.
I do remember.
And do you remember somebody used to come and clean this phone with some kind of,
a liquid,
yeah,
and white petrol or something.
Yeah.
और ये सबसे
then some lovely smell used to come, and then when we used to talk on the phone, we used to really enjoy. Yes.
और एक्सरसाइज भी होती थी फिंगर्स की, ये करते थे.
Yes, exercise.
और ये चेक हमको मिल गया है, तो मतलब फुल ऑफ अकाउंट में मनी आ गया है.
Yes.
Because it is the zamana of the chakri phone, there is no online transaction. There are physical checks.
Because of this chakri phone. Wow, nice name you've given, chakri phone.
And those are those aerogram envelopes. If you remember, when we used to write to our pen friends, red and yellow, red and blue, as somebody said. One check is opened and it's in your wallet. And the entire set at the back maybe is lots and lots of more checks. You don't have to call anybody for a check. They're all there.
Yes.
I think also the era, this was that era where money was more valuable.
Money is more valuable.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, even 100 rupees was a lot, right?
True. Yes.
Right now, money has been devalued and overabused. This is that era when it was really valued and, respected.
Okay. And also would like to add one more thing, that so this phone, this chakri phone, whatever the name, I love this name, the chakri phone. So when you whatever you dial, that you have to dial some numbers, whomever you have to call, and we always used to remember the numbers, isn't it? Koi direct, it used to be in a directory, in the index, or in the index of the directory where we used to maintain the numbers. But we used to remember a lot of numbers, like my best friend's number, my parents, not my parents, my best friend's number, my friend's number, or maybe, some relatives who are staying in Mumbai or, out of the city. I always used to remember the numbers. So that memory was, that memory was activated. Not that you don't remember the number now. How many of you remember, how many numbers do you remember now? Telephone numbers?
Maximum 10 or 12.
10 or 12. मतलब घर के जो है.
Otherwise, generally what we do is we don't dial, but we was udhar usme jaake and we just click and on our smartphones. So then it's not a coincidence that this phone is kept like this. It's not a smartphone, but this chakri phone is kept. And also whatever we dial is related with the number, which you have assigned, whichever number you want to call. So the world of money is the world of numbers. Whomever you want. So when you are putting the number on the magic check, remember that it is all about numbers. Whatever number you're putting in, what number we are going to put, the chapter is going to tell us that what number you're going to put, and that number will start talking to you, because in the magical world, it's that number has some energy. The number which you are putting in, that number will carry some energy, and that energy, you have to align yourself with that energy. Whatever number you are writing, the energy of that number and the energy of your body and mind, the moment it gets aligned, the energy of your thoughts and feelings, जैसे ही वो align हो जाएगा, the magic check is there, right there. That's why it's called the magic check. ना check नहीं लिखा है, the magic check. So already there's magic in it. So what magic will you be able to experience? Let's read the chapter and we're going to experience it ourselves. So yes, let's go further. And also today's chapter, we will be dwelling in the, when we did Magic Money, the first chapter on money, it was about the past, the money which we have received in the past. Then we did Money Magnet. Any guesses which area of the money we healed? Money we receive in?
Thanks, मतलब पे करना है, और जो रिसीव जो पे अनपेड बिल्स है.
So the money which you are receiving in the present moment, in the present, right?
Yeah.
So past का जो chapter था, what was it? What did we do in that chapter? Anybody remembers?
10 रुपी नोट पे या मतलब कोई भी करेंसी पे हमने लिखा था, thanks for the money I have received
throughout my life.
Throughout my life.
Remember the words, don't skip any word. And bold letters में लिखना था, thank you for all the money that I have received throughout my life.
My life.
और उस money को बार-बार पकड़ के, we had to, feel happy and excited of all the money that you have received. If you're not doing, still carry on doing it. Everyone, just keep it in front of you so that you remember. Still you have to do, keep on doing it. And then the second one was Money Magnet, in which we had to pay our gratitude to all the bills, and we collected 10 bills, and we're still doing it. Yes, no?
Yeah.
Everyone? Or you've forgotten?
Yes.
And now today's chapter, we will be healing. We will be working on the money which we want to receive in future. Supposing somebody gave you a check just now. So just tell me, anyone, check is current money or future money?
Future, because you have to the bank and then you will proceed.
Yes. So even if somebody, somebody has given you a check, or it's an online transfer, it will, if somebody gives you a check, it's going to take you a while to put it in the bank, then it gets processed and then it falls into your account. So it's future money. Even if it's after 2 hours or 5 hours or 8 hours or 10 hours or even half an hour, it's future. Okay, so today we are going to create a future in the area of money, and the future is full and full and full of abundance. First, accept this in your mind. If you have any beliefs in the area of money, right now is the time to release that belief from your subconscious mind. And it is assumed, that's the reason we did these 2 chapters earlier, so that whatever is our belief towards money, it changes, because money is a form of energy. It's just a form of energy, nothing else. And we are also another form of energy. So since we are into the energy world, in the magical world, and we understand everything in connection with energy, the energy world, the magical world, if you belong to that world, and of course we belong to that world, then we are also energy beings in this physical form. We all are energy beings in this physical form, but we are vibrating at a different energy. The earth is vibrating at a different energy. Each human being, हम हर लोग एक अलग अलग एनर्जी, एक अलग अलग फ्रीक्वेंसी, एक अलग अलग वाइब्रेशन से ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं. बिकॉज इन द एनर्जी वर्ल्ड एवरीथिंग मूव्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाइब्रेशंस एंड यू नो द फीलिंग्स has some vibrations and they move in the form of waves like this, tarango ki jaise. You know, just see this, my hand, it always moves like this. So supposing you have thought about some person who is staying in US, who's staying in Australia, who's staying in New Zealand, and the energy travels faster than the speed of light. Till now हमको पता था कि light is travels faster than any other thing, but now the energy, if your intention, if your energy is very very powerful, it travels faster than the speed of light. So it could be negative, it could be positive, whatever it is, it will travel. You're thinking something about a person right now, and the energy, your energy has already reached that person before you actually think. That person calls you. When a mother is feeding her baby, then supposing the mother has gone out several kilometers away from the baby and the baby is crying and the milk starts flowing out from her breast, that is what is that? It is the energy flow from the baby to the mother, and the mother feels that my child is hungry. Okay, so all this is about energy. So today when we are talking in the area of money, it is also a form of energy. It is only that, you know, we, when it was just a form of paper, only when a value was assigned to it by the Reserve Bank of India, it became a thing of value to you. So even the check is just a form of paper. अगर हमने check को भरा नहीं, अगर उसमें numbers नहीं डाले, तब तक what is it? It's just a paper, right? It's just a sheet of paper. But when the numbers come on it, then actually it value is added to it. And that number, those numbers. So whenever you are writing, making the check, most important is that check your feelings first. If you have feelings of worry, anxiety, jealousy, then please don't fill the check at that time. Then it won't be a magical check. Because your feelings have gone into the writing, into the numbers, into whatever you are writing. So it has gone into that paper, that form of energy. And now your energies are flowing in that paper, which has become a check, which we call a check. The name of that paper has now been given. Now we see that as a check. Okay, and I have seen many people, they will fill up a check, or if they receive a check, they will just put it anywhere, you know, and I've actually seen, I'm talking of real life example, they will treat it as a form of paper. And, you know, they'll just keep it, I mean, like how, supposing if you have 50,000 rupee in the form of currency, the physical money, and the way you will keep 50,000 and the way you will keep 50,000 ka check, there is a difference in which they deal with it. How many of you have felt this? Yes, no? Anybody? You've treated it the same way? Yes, no, just write yes, no. Or maybe unconsciously you have done it at some point of your life?
Yes, many times. Many times.
Many times, Vartika, yes. So nice that you have identified that for yourself now. Now you know what to do. Okay, so the way your relationship is with that check, with the money is going to talk in that language only with you. Actually, I'm talking of, I have seen this. People, you know, whenever there is abundance of money, they take it for granted. They just take it for granted. Even if you have 100 rupee or 1,000 rupee or 4,000 or 5,000 in your bank, just treat it as if it's 5 crores. Because for the universe, it is the same. So let's change our relationship with money before we actually make a check for ourselves, and identify what are you feeling. Are you below the line of the feeling chart, or you are above the line? Be excited, be joyful, be happy when you're filling the check. Otherwise, just wait for your feelings to change. Change your feelings, be in that joyful mode, be like a child, and then connect with a good feeling and then make the check. Okay, so now we can start reading the chapter. Yes, who wants to read? Okay, will I have to say, Vartika, would you like to read? Vartika?
I can, but my network is a little unstable, so वो बीच में like कट नहीं जाए.
Okay, so who wants to read? किनका network बराबर है?
I will read it.
Yeah, please.
Read here, I'll read it.
Yes, read. Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Yes, read. You can start reading.
In the magical universe, there are coincidences and there are no accidents.
No coincidences. Read.
I'm sorry. Yeah. In the magical world, in the magical universe, there are no coincidences and there are no accidents. Nothing happens unless someone wills it to happen. William S. Broads, 1914 to 1997, writer and poet.
So yes, coincidence means that, by chance or by good luck. This word does exist, but it exists in our earthbound space. It's not a part of the magical world. Because in the magical world, in the world of magic, there's no coincidence, there are no accidents. What is it? It is whatever you have willed for. जो भी आपने will किया है, सोचा है, feel किया है, वो ही होगा उस world में. There is nothing which happens unless and until you have felt it in yourself. So first you create in your inner world, and then so everything what happens outside, first it is created in the mind, in the body, in the form of thoughts and feelings, experienced in the inner world, and then it manifests in the outside world. This is what happens every time. Every time you see for anything in your life, you have willed for it, that's why it happened. It's not because of the other person. It's always because you willed for it. Supposing you have an outstanding amount which is to be paid, you willed for it. It might sound funny, but it is the truth. You've taken a huge amount of loan and you have to pay for it. Why did it happen? Because you willed for it. You chose to do it. It's not that somebody else told you to do it. So now let's understand, when we keep on saying कि coincidence से मुझे हुआ है, accidentally I got this. No, it is because you worked for it, you chose and you willed for it. Everybody, please understand this before we go further, because then your beliefs about money will be completely clear. Why money in every area of your life? Because this is the rule in the magical universe, in the magical world. So let's identify in our lives that still if you feel that this is a coincidence, it's not a coincidence that this lockdown has happened. It's not a coincidence. So many people, all these WhatsApp forwards that we are getting, and mockery about money, mockery about relationship, mockery about career, mockery about your boss, the job you are in, and you're getting it back. You willed for it and you're getting it back. Does it make sense to everyone? Can you identify such things you have done in your life? Because if you don't identify, then you will never be able to come out of it. So it's very important for each one of us to identify what all we were doing all these years of our life in regards of our health, in the area of our health. So many things, and we took everything and we actually willed for it. You must have thought, okay, I'm not getting enough time for my family. I'm just running, and I'm not getting enough time, not even an hour that I'm getting time to sit with my wife or with my husband or with my kids and spend quality time. Many of you must have thought that because you were so much involved and you willed for it. So now you're getting everything, whatever you will for it, whatever is happening right now. Even right now, if you're complaining, just stop yourself. Because now just start from the space. Let's start this chapter from a space that I will for whatever is happening to me right now in my life. It is what मैंने ही सोचा था और वो ही मुझे मिल रहा है. Is everyone understanding this? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes. So now if you've identified, you will understand the chapter beautifully. And when you sit down and make the magic check, there will be a lot of reverence and respect when you make the check. You now, as Vartika rightly said in the beginning, you will now understand the value of money. You will now understand, actually, even if you're making a check of 1,000 rupees, you will feel so excited. It's not a small amount right now, even if it's a 5,000 rupee. Maybe for some people it might be not, but for some people it does make sense. Yes?
Yes.
Yes,
Definitely. I would like to share a small thing on this. Can I?
Yes, please.
Last year when the lockdown started, my son, Anirudh, he asked me, Abhi to Papa office nahi ja rahe hain. By God's grace, we are well off. But, Pankaj had to shut down his office for 3 months. So Anirudh is like, how will we run our house? And he was just 10 years at that time. How will we run our house? How will we do our things? Because Papa is not going to office. Then I could make him understand that, see, this is why we save. This is why we don't waste money. This is why we save. And those savings will help us to run our house efficiently. So this lockdown has brought one positive thing where we have started valuing things, valuing money, valuing relations.
Everything.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes. So somebody in some part of the universe, not somebody, but a mass, it was everything happens when a mass of people, a collective consciousness gets involved in doing something. ऐसा जब होता है ना, because the entire world is going through. So it's a thing of collective consciousness जिसको बोलते हैं, like how we are all collective. This consciousness which is right now, the magic book we are reading is a collective consciousness of so many people. So like that, there was a collective group of people which which willed it, and that's why it happened. So yes, please continue.
When you direct gratitude, magical power towards any negative condition, a new condition is created, eliminating the old condition. That means that when you get yourself to the place where you feel grateful for money more than you feel a lack of money, a new condition is created, eliminating the lack of money and magically replacing it with more money.
So yes, so whenever you are stuck and you find yourself in a position that I have lack of money, generally this thought comes when you have to pay money, when you have to pay your bills, when you have to pay the rent, when you have to pay rent of the house or the shop, when you have to pay your society bills, electricity bills, gas bills, grocery bills. When you have to pay, that time you feel lack of money, maybe or maybe not. So what are you doing? You are, by the law of attraction, if you are feeling that lack of money and that worry and doubt and anxiety comes, then actually you are magnetizing yourself and you're bringing in more and more of those situations. So then at those times, that's why we did the money which we had in the past. Thank you for all the money that I have received throughout my life, and we're still doing, because that magic note in which we have written just reminds us. It's a reminder for us every time. Whenever there's lack of money, just you feel that there is lack of money, just pick up that note and remember all the things that you were grateful for. 2-3 things you'll remember and you're out of that feeling, which is a negative condition. So the gratitude is just that one power, that magical power, which takes you out of that complaining, the negative condition. And we all know, if you have made one complaint about money, you have to write 10 blessings about money or in any area of your life. So never say that I don't have money. We unconsciously say that, and I don't have money to buy this. I want to buy a big brand, and I want to buy this. I want to buy a dress for myself. I want to buy a top for myself. I want to buy shoes for myself, but I don't have that much money. Don't say that. Just remember to pick up that note and say thank you for all the money. Thank you for all the shoes that I had. Thank you for all the clothes that I have. And you can just change that word by saying there is lack of money. So that still the energies of saying no money is better. But still we have to get over that also. So there is abundance of money. Even if you have 5 lakh rupees with you right now, or 5,000 rupees with you right now, or 500 rupees with you right now, I have abundance of money. Feel excited with that money. There are some who don't have that much also. So just feel grateful and excited and happy with whatever money you have right now. Please continue.
All bad feelings about money push money away from you and reduce the amount of money in your life. And every time you feel bad about money, you reduce it little more. If you have feelings about money like envy, disappointment, worry, or fear, you cannot receive more. The law of attraction says that like attracts like. So if you feel disappointed that you don't have enough money, you will receive more disappointing circumstances of not having enough money. If you're worried about money, you'll receive more worrying situations about money. If you feel fearful about the state of your money, then you must receive more situations that will continue to make you fearful about money.
Yes, so my invitation to all of you is that just identify that. Are you operating from a fear of disappointment? Are you operating from the fear of from the space of jealousy? Are you operating from a space of worry or fear? In what area? In the area of money, since we are reading the chapter of money just now. So if you are, just catch yourself there and there. Just hold yourself, stop yourself there and there, and feel that you have enough. Just say, I am enough. Just say this just now. I am enough. And when you say this,
I am enough.
I am enough.
And not I have enough, but I am enough. So
I am enough.
And keep on saying this and feel the vibrations of this affirmation, this line, these 3 words. How it uplifts you. How are you feeling? Anybody you said 3-4 times, how are you feeling?
I feel full, मतलब मुझे पूरा मेरे पास सब कुछ है और मैं full of money हूँ, ऐसे feel हो रहा है.
Yes, not only money but everything.
Everything.
I am enough. मैं तो पूरी मतलब I am enough मतलब I am abundance. I'm abundance. Yeah. What else? What else can you say?
I am feeling like confidence has come in me.
Yes. So just
I
keep
feel
on
the
saying
universe
this.
is with me.
Okay, awesome. The universe is with you. Wow. So then all the feelings of worry, fear, anxiety, envy, everything disappears. So now, since you've experienced it just now, just keep on saying and just make a note of it. You can just make a card and you can write it in front of you, because what happens is when we get involved into our daily routine activities, हमारे दिमाग से निकल जाता है, but suddenly it does come with practice. So अगर वो सामने लिखा हुआ होता है, चाहे आप अपने फ्रिज पे चिपका लीजिए, make attractive cards like this. जो हमने आज तक अभी तक जो हमने पढ़े हैं, उनको आप एकदम attractive way में, you can paint yourself if you're good at painting, you can write it in calligraphy, you can be creative. So we have enough time to do these things now. So when you put in your energies into whatever you're making, it will actually start speaking to you. The words will carry more higher vibrations and frequencies. So please write all this, make a note of it so that you don't forget. You always, it's there in front of you. It's like a ready reckoner. Remember ready reckoners we had when we used to study in school? We used to just open the book of a particular chapter and everything used to come. It was a ready reckoner. कुछ answer देखना होता था, कोई sum का कुछ solution देखना होता था. That ready reckoner used to be there. So like that, have these ready reckoners in front of you. अपने आंखों के सामने जहां भी आप हैं, चाहे वो ऑफिस में हो, चाहे घर में हो, कहां पे भी हो, उसको अपने आंखों के सामने रखिए. प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
वंदना जी,
यस,
एक चीज शेयर करना चाहूंगा. अभी हमने ये कुछ एविडेंस के फ्रेम्स बनाए हैं, बहुत अच्छा सा प्रिंटिंग करवा के, और आज हम घर पे मतलब प्रॉपर जगह पे लगा देंगे. तो उसकी पिक्चर हिना के पास है, वो ग्रुप में शेयर कर देगी. अगर
वंदना जी को
हाँ, हिना जी, is it the same picture which you shared?
Yes.
Yeah, very beautiful. Yeah, it's.
और मैंने वो अभी बाद में चेक जो विश्वा ने पहले बनाया था, डिजाइन किया था, वो भी शेयर करूंगी तो सबको पता चले.
Yeah, and हिना जी, I want to tell you, अभी मैं वही चेक्स भेज रही हूँ अपने सारे सेशंस में.
Okay, thank you.
We are using that check only because, and मैं खुद भी अपनी जो चेक्स मैंने बनाया है वो पुरानी चेक्स हटा दी है और अभी उसी में बनाया है.
Thank you.
And it is so beautiful. वो जो Vishwa made that, so congratulate her from my side. Really beautiful, really creative what she had made.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. So you can share if you want, and we can all take a printout of that, not of the check, but also whatever you have made, those abundance, those affirmation kind of a thing. Yeah.
Sure.
So then you can we can all have a look at it. Yes. Thank you for sharing. Yes. Please continue.
However difficult it may be, you have to ignore your current situation and any lack of money you may currently be experiencing. And gratitude is guaranteed way of you to do that. You can't be grateful for money and disappointed about money at the same time. You can't be thinking grateful thoughts about money and have worried thoughts about money at the same time. Nor can you be grateful for money and have fearful thoughts about money at the same time. When you're grateful for money, not only do you stop the negative thoughts and feelings that push money away from you, you're doing the very thing that brings more money to you.
Yes, so you either can be in a complaining mode or you can be a gratitude mode. So when it comes to money, so if we say that, oh no, I am grateful for money, and then at the same time, the next moment you're feeling disappointed or you're complaining in the area of money, that how am I going to pay the bills? How am I going to pay my rent? How am I going to pay the rent of the shop? How am I going to pay the bills, the society bills? If again the next moment if that thought is coming, then what you're doing, you have gone one step ahead, but you've gone 3-4 steps back because 4-5 area बार आपने complain कर दिया है. So आप सामने आगे बढ़ रहे हो, पीछे जा रहे हो, आगे बढ़ रहे हो, पीछे जा रहे हो. So you're oscillating like that. The pendulum, जो घड़ी का pendulum ऐसे आगे पीछे होता रहता है. You are becoming like that. So then what are you supposed to do? So the next para tells us, yes, please continue reading. Yes.
You have already practiced gratitude for the money you have received and continue to receive. So before you use gratitude's magical power for your money you want, you need to understand the various ways and avenues that money or riches could come into your life. Because if you are not grateful each time your riches or money increase, you will stop the abundance from flowing to you.
Yes. So now we all know we are in that space where we have already practiced gratitude for the money you have received in the past. you've continued to receive in the present moment, and now it's a time to give our gratitude's magical power for the money we want in future. But before doing that, we need to understand that money is not just money what we are thinking. There are various, as in the note, not only the note or the coins, but there are various ways and avenues that money or riches could come into your life. And what are those? We are going to read further. Let's read further. Yes.
Money can come to you through receiving an unexpected check, an increase in salary, a lottery win, a tax refund, or unanticipated gift of money from someone. Your money can also increase when somebody else spontaneously picks up the tab for coffee, lunch, or dinner. When you are about to purchase an item for you discover it has been discounted. When there's a money back offer on a purchase, or when someone gives you a gift of something you needed to buy. The end result of every one of these circumstances is that you have more money. So, whenever a situation arises, ask yourself, does this circumstance mean that I have more money? Because if it does, you need to be very grateful for the money you are receiving throughout that circumstance.
Yes. So can everybody identify what this para is trying to tell us? Money is not only liquid money or the note or the coins or whatever we get. It's something which comes to you unexpectedly. What? An unexpected check. You have forgotten about that money and somebody calls you unexpectedly and says, okay, I'm sending you this check. It was outstanding and it's come, that person calls you and says that I am giving you the check today. And it's an unexpected thing, right? You never thought about it and it's coming in your life. So just be grateful for that. Your boss tells you that, even in the lockdown, many people have got their cut in the salary. But if you are still getting the full amount of salary, that is like an increase in salary. So just be grateful for that. It could be a lottery win, a tax refund, or somebody has gifted you something, not just money, but something in kind, some gift you have got from someone. That is also, you have to be really grateful for it. Or somebody calls you and tells you, okay, let's go for coffee and it's from me, I am going to pay for it, or lunch or dinner. Or this is really beautiful, that you wanted to, it's there at the back of your mind that you want to buy something. And when you are ordering, supposing you're ordering online and you have bought that thing, supposing you want to buy a deodorant for yourself, and or you want to buy a pair of shoes for yourself, and you've ordered it, you found whatever is your size and whatever you liked, and you just wanted to place the order. And then when you are placing the order and we're about to pay, it says that there is a discount on this, and not only there's a discount, there is a free item which you are getting with it. So isn't it that there is a discount, and on top of that you're receiving a free item? So that is what you're saving money. It is magic in the area of money. Okay, so you are getting a discount on the purchase of an item which you thought must be 5,000 rupees, but then you're getting a discount and it is coming for 3,000, and on top of that you're getting a free gift. So this is what. And also when there is money back offer on a purchase, or when someone gives you a gift of something you needed to buy. Okay, so all these, just when something like this happens, you be happy, be excited, but don't forget to thank the universe for that. So I experienced this. I would like to share my experience. So it was the Valentine's Day this year, and I wanted to buy something for my dear husband. So I actually went to Shoppers Stop, and it was, I think after so many months, after the lockdown, it was the first time that I had gone to Shoppers Stop, and that time the malls were open. So I was just, I had decided in my mind what I had to buy, because I didn't want to spend much time in the mall. And So I wanted to buy a cute cups for me and my husband so that we can have tea together on that day. You know, a herbal tea which we have in the morning, and I wanted to surprise him with that. And I wanted to, you know, some cute little things written on it. So I was looking for it, and I saw those cups, I got it, and I didn't want to spend more time in looking around here and there, and I just wanted to buy that. So I just went to the cash counter, and when I was paying, just a thought came in my mind that maybe there are some points in my gold card. So let me ask, you know. So I told my number, and that person said, yes, there are some 1,000 points in your gold card. And I was just looking, what? I thought maybe 200, 300 honge. But because I had not shopped since so many months together, you know, March say didn't shop. March maybe before that, maybe yeah, एक साल से I didn't shop only. Because जाना ही नहीं था, lockdown was there, and the malls were shut for so many months, and there was no question of going. So, and I was looking at that person. I said, okay. And then whatever was the bill, and then I was, you know, just as I was paying, I saw these cute little cushions, bright and colorful. So I thought, let me buy. I always get attracted towards these small, bright things, you know, to just decorate my house, and it really makes me feel happy, these small things. So I just asked that what is the price. They said it's 50% off. Okay, so that was 50% off plus the amount which I had in my gold card. So actually, for the first time in my life, I ended up buying without paying a single penny from my purse. The entire shopping was free. The entire shopping was free, and I immediately called my husband that, see, this is the magic which has happened. So life, anything happens in your life, just be happy, just celebrate that. Even if it's for a small amount, doesn't matter. Just celebrate. The universe is testing you. Are you happy in small things or not? And it really makes you happy, such situations. So I can never forget, still when I see the cushions in my living room, I always remember and be grateful. It's a reminder for me that be grateful. Whenever we sip the morning kawa in those cups, I always remember, wow, I'm so grateful. So just like that, you know, you keep on being grateful for these small things. Yes.
If you tell a friend you are about to buy an item and the friend offers to lend or give you the very item because they don't use it, or if you are planning to travel and you hear about a discounted special that you end up taking, or if you are lending, institution lowers their interest rate, or a service provider offers you far better package, your money magically increases through the saving of money. Are you getting the idea of the unlimited situations where you can receive more money?
Yes. So supposing you want to buy an item for your kitchen, for your house, and you're thinking about it, that how do I buy? Should I order online, or, you know, I should go? If I can go, I want to feel it and take it. I want to see that item and take it. And suddenly your friend calls you that I have this thing spare. I have this thing spare. If you want, you can take it from me. And what is this? What is this? Actually, it's the saving which you have, right? Your friend is giving you what you wanted, or your relative calls you, or your mother calls you that I have this, do you want it? And so all these things, whether you're planning to travel and, you know, you have a fixed budget in your mind, and when you are actually taking the package and you see there's a discount, there's a heavy discount, and you end up taking that. So all this is things that the universe is giving you, the opportunities, the situations that the universe is creating for you to be grateful. So kind the universe is. And all this is what? Savings of money. And you will not imagine, unexpected things will start flowing towards you. But you have to take the step of being grateful for all the money that you have received, all the money that you have right now. Any complaining about money is going to take you 10 steps back. One complaint, 10 steps back. Two complain, 20 steps back. And just identify in a day, how many times do you complain? Just identify that for yourself. Please continue.
Most likely, you have experienced some of these situations in the past, and whether you realize it or not at the time, they occurred because you attracted them. But when gratitude is your way of life, you attract magical situations all the time. Many people call it good luck, but it's not luck at all. It's universal law.
So nothing is coincidence in the world of magic. It's just operates on the law of attraction. You will for it and it happens. Your wish is my command. Remember this. Please continue.
Any circumstance that results in you having more money or receiving something that cost money is a result of your gratitude. You will feel great joy in knowing that you did it. And when you combine your joy with your gratitude, you have real magnetic force that will keep attracting more and more abundance.
So two prerequisites for attracting money is that joy and gratitude both combined, which flows parallelly. I feel when you're grateful, you feel joy and happiness. When you're feeling joy and happiness, then you are grateful, isn't it? We all have experienced this, that unusual happiness is flowing inside us. Why? Because we are grateful for everything. So many things we are grateful for now, and we do remember now if we are in the practice. Yes, no, everyone?
Yes.
So yes. So you have a real magnetic force. You actually are making yourself a powerful magnet, which is going to attract what? More and more of abundance. Yes, please continue. This is a beautiful, Rhonda Byrne is sharing with us what happened in her life. So let's understand and hear this. Yes, Reed.
When I arrived in United States several years ago, I arrived with 2 suitcases. I worked in a bare-bone apartment with my computer on my lap. I did not have a car, and so I mostly walked everywhere. But I was grateful for everything. I was grateful to be in United States. I was grateful for the work I was doing. I was grateful for the bare bones apartment with its 4 plates, 4 knives, and 4 forks and 4 spoons. I was grateful that I could walk to most places, and I was grateful that there was a taxi stand right across the street. Then something incredible happened. A person I knew decided to gift me a driver and a car for few months. Other than my computer, I was living with the most basic material things to survive. And then suddenly I had my own personal driver and a car. I was grateful, so I was given more. And that is exactly how the magic happens with gratitude.
Yes, so Rhonda Byrne is sharing her life experience with us now, that we must have seen in the movie also, the Secret movie also. It was said the beginning of the movie, if you remember, that she was carrying a suitcase. And do you remember that picture in the Secret movie?
Yeah.
So if you don't remember, just see it again, okay? So she was in a bare bones apartment, means what? Lagbhag khali. Matlab there was very little furniture. She just had a computer and she didn't have anything, no mode of conveyance. She used to walk down everywhere with just that thing. There was just imagine 4 plates, 4 knives, 4 forks, and 4 spoons. Look at the level what she was. And but still she was grateful. She was grateful that she could walk to most places. She was grateful to her legs that could make her walk to those places. And on top of that, she was grateful that there's a taxi stand right across the street, and she had no complaints, no grudges. And then so the universe is always watching you. The universe is always watching you. Your invisible manager is always watching and feeling and experiencing whatever you're feeling and experiencing, your thoughts and your words and your feelings. Everything is being registered, is made note by your invisible manager. Whether you say it or not, it is, you know, the manager is seeing and feeling everything. So then what happened? Then somebody gave her a car for a few months, and then, you know, just imagine, she was living with the most basic material things to survive, and in spite of that, she got a personal driver and a car. And then still, you know, she was grateful. She was not thinking, oh, I want this, oh, I want that, oh, I wish I had this. But she was grateful for it first. You know, sometimes when happiness comes into our life, when good news comes into our life, we feel wow, and we just, you know, we just forget to express our gratitude. Maybe, may not be. So then most important is just be grateful for the magic that has happened. Yes, please continue.
Today's magical practice for the money you want to receive has brought outstanding results to many people. At the end of this practice, you will find a blank magic check from the Gratitude Bank of the universe, and you are going to write the magic check to yourself. Fill in the amount of money you want to receive, along with your name and today's date. Choose a specific amount of money for one thing you really want, because you will be able to feel more gratitude for the money when you know what you are going to spend the money on.
So very important. Very sorry, Reet, we'll pause here, because this is really important, that choose a specific amount of money for one thing you really want. This is written in italic words, really. Not that you have getting a greed and, you know, you just fill in any amount. No. That one thing, जो भी आपको चाहिए, चाहे वो कंप्यूटर हो, चाहे लैपटॉप हो, चाहे कार हो, चाहे you know, कार भी है तो कौन सा मॉडल का, and the exact amount of the car. You want to pay your loans, exact amount of the loan. You want to have some money for your son's MBA, so exact amount of that. You want to pay the bills, so exact amount of that. Not any random amount, because remember, it's all about the numbers you're filling on the check. Really be careful when you're filling in the numbers, because it's ekdam, you know, it's mentioned and it's specified, not just that one thing you really want. Not that बहुत सारी चीज चाहिए, okay, मैं ये saving के लिए, you know, जो बचेगा वो I'll put it in saving. No, what you really want just now, because you will be able to feel more gratitude for the money when you know what you're going to spend the money on. Be clear in your headspace first. What do you want? What is your desire? What is your dream? What is your requirement? And then fill the check. Please continue.
Money is a means to what you
want.
What you want, but it's not the end result. So if you just thought about money per se, you wouldn't be able to feel as much gratitude. When you imagine getting the things you really want or doing the things you really want to do, you will feel far more gratitude than if you were just being grateful for money.
Please continue.
You can photocopy or scan the magic check from the book. You can also get an abundance of blank magic checks from www.thesecret.tv/magiccheck.
So we don't have to go into this, because Hina ji is going to send the pictures of the magic check that her daughter has created, and it's really beautiful and it's really magical. The colors, the different colors that has been used are really, really beautiful, and it really feels real to you, and you feel like filling up that check. And when you look at that check also, you really feel nice. So it will be sent by Hina ji. She's going to send it. And so when you imagine getting the things you really want, really means actually genuinely, not that any random amount and you just, you know, just checking, okay, let me check whether if I fill the check, you know, you're not testing the universe. Never do that. Or doing the things you really want to do, you will feel far more gratitude if you've just been grateful for money. So yes, and then let's read further. Yes.
If you want You can start with a smaller amount of first magic check, and after you receive the smaller amount, you can keep increasing the amounts on your next checks. The benefit of starting with a smaller amount is that when you magically receive it, you will know that you did it. You will know absolutely that magic of gratitude worked, and the gratitude and the joy you feel will make bigger amounts believable to you.
Yes, this is really important. Don't start with a big amount, preferably to start with smaller amounts, as the chapter is also telling us, and many people have experienced this, including me. So just make with a smaller amount on the first magic check, and then keep on. So what we are going to do is we are going to read further, but be specific of for what you are filling the check for, what you are wanting the amount for. And when that check gets fulfilled, then actually your belief will be more powerful, and then you can make the next check. Okay, please continue.
Once you have filled in the details of the magic check, hold the check in your hands and think about the specific thing you want the money for. Get a picture in your mind and visualize yourself actually using the money to get the very thing that you want, and put as much excitement and gratitude into it as you can.
Yes, so when you are holding the check, when you're filling in the details in the magic check, think that you have already got it. It's there with you. It's really there with you. And how will you feel that it's real? By closing your eyes and visualizing the picture in your mind that you've actually got the thing that you have. Just make it real, as if, what will you do when you get that thing? So, and what will be your response? How will you celebrate? How will you feel? Whom are you going to talk to? How, just add on these small details so that it feels real to your subconscious mind, and be as excited and happy as you can. That's why I mentioned in the beginning that if you are in a grumpy mood, if you are in a complaining mood, if you are worried, if you are, that time, don't take that time to sit down and make your check. Don't use that time. Just take yourself out of that feeling space, out of that zone, and then start making the check. Okay, so please continue.
Maybe you want the money for new pair of shoes, a computer, a new bed. So picture yourself actually buying what you want in a store. If you would purchase what you want online, then picture yourself receiving the delivery. So you feel excitement and gratitude. You might want the money to travel overseas or for your child's college education. So imagine buying your airplane tickets or opening a college bank account and feel as happy, as grateful as if you have really received it.
Yes, so you have to imagine to the deepest of your level of imagination. You have to actually go deep and deep inside you and use the power of your imagination to feel, feel, because the more and more we imagine, we actually can feel it, and we enter into that world, which is the world of feelings. The world of magic is एहसासों की दुनिया है. उसे जितना हम एहसास महसूस कर सकेंगे, उतना ही वो हमें और रियल लगेगा, और जितना रियल लगेगा उतना वो जल्दी हमारी लाइफ में आएगा. So feel, and again it's saying feel as happy and as grateful. Bring that joy and excitement. That is really important. That is the real essence. That is the real most magical ingredient which you need to get when you're filling the magical check, and even when you're visualizing. Okay, so why? Because it feels real. The subconscious mind feels that yes, you've already received it, and that is the truth, because it's there. Everything is right there. You just have to ask, you have to believe, and you receive it. So ask, believe, and receive. Remember these 3 steps every time. Yes, please continue.
After you have completed these steps, take the magic check with you today, or put it in the place where you will see it often. On the at least 2 more occasions during the day, today take the magic check in your hand. Picture yourself actually using the money for what you wanted and feel as grateful and excited as you can, as though you're really doing it. If you want, you can do it more times in the day. As with any other magical practice, you can't do it too often. At the end of today, either keep your magic check where you had it or put it in another prominent place where you will see it daily. You could put it in your bathroom mirror, your refrigerator, underneath your magic rock, in your car or wallet, or on the background of your computer. Anytime you see your magic check, feel as though you've received the money and be grateful that now you can have or do what you want.
So there's one more place where you can feel, if you feel like keeping, you can keep it in your puja room or your temple, wherever it is, because we generally go in the morning and, you know, we just sit in front of our idols and whatever. So if you feel you want to put there, you can put there also. Yes, please continue.
When you have received the money on your magic check, or if you receive the item you wanted to spend the money on in another magical way, replace the check with new amount or something else that you really want, and continue with the magic check practice as long as you want.
Yes, so when you have received the money on your first check, so just make one check at a time, okay? There's some people who ask that, can I make several checks? Just one check. Once you receive that, when that check is fulfilled, you receive the item, or you want, you know, you either you receive the item or you got the money for which you had to buy that item, then you just replace that check, just you can tear it and make another check. Okay, and this practice you can continue throughout your life as long as you want, till the time you want to experience this magic in your life. Keep on making such checks. Yes, magic practice.
Magic practice number 17, the magic check. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. And at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel as grateful for the blessing as you can. Number 2, fill in your magic check with the amount of money you want to receive, along with your name and today's date. Number 3, hold your magic check in your hands and imagine purchasing the specific thing you want the money for. Feel as happy and grateful as you can that you have received it. Number 4, take the magic check with you today, or put it in the place where you will see it often. On at least 2 more occasions, take the check in your hand. Picture yourself using the money for what you want and feel as grateful as though you were really doing it. Number 5, at the end of today, keep your magic check in a prominent place where you will see it daily. When you have received the amount on your check, or if you have received the item you wanted to spend the money on, replace the check with new amount for something else you want, and repeat steps 2 and 4. Number 6, just before you go to sleep.
Steps 2 to 4, not 2 and 4, but steps 2 to 4, which we just read. The second, third, fourth. So these 3 steps you will repeat again once you make a new magic check. Yes.
Okay. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Reed, for reading us.
Thank you, Reed.
So
thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
so yes, we have all understood this.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. So anybody wants to, any doubts, anything regarding, you have any doubt, just clarify now only. Or we've understood the chapter. Yes, everyone.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are all ready to make our checks?
Yes.
All excited and happy and joyful?
Very excited, very happy, very joyful.
Amazing. And we're going to follow, just go through the magical practice once again before you make the check. And for those of you who have made the checks earlier, keep on visualizing and yes, and get more and more magics. Lovely.
Yes.
So anybody wants to share anything before we do a quick visualization?
One thing, do everyone have an email ID? Then we can share it through an email ID and people can add their own takeaways in that. If not, I can share a link, then we'll continue how it is going.
How will it be convenient? What will be convenient for you?
If everybody is comfortable writing in it directly, then it's the best, or else I can just copy paste it every
that
day.
Will be better, I feel, no?
Yeah, ideally,
because then we
but
all
I don't
are
know how
committed. Everyone will be
people
committed.
are knowing. Yes.
Yeah. So
I
is
don't know how
everyone
people are
okay?
knowing.
Everyone
Yeah.
okay?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So you feel that you'll send us a link and then everyone will write the takeaways in that only.
Yeah, so basically, everyone has to share their email ID. I'll share the sheet in the same email ID which they share, and then we all will be able to edit it together.
Okay, but
Anytime
will we
want
be
to
able
do.
to see each other's takeaways?
Yes.
So then, very good. So all of you, can you share your email IDs today?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And who is Ghazal Creations? Because I didn't know the name. I have added names also, but I didn't know.
Is it
who is that.
Manjusha ji, Ghazal Creation?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
I was guessing that only, so yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Ghazal is my daughter's name and Ghazal's Creation is my shop.
Brand name.
Shop's
Okay.
name. Yeah, brand name.
I think I have been there.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah, Hina Mami had told me. So
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Awesome.
So just share it on the Telegram group only so that I can see
in the
it
same
there.
group,
Because
magic,
this will
magic
just go.
everywhere.
Yeah, this will just go. This
Yeah,
chat.
I have already
हाँ
sent
मामी.
Ishita.
हाँ तो जब भी देखना है तो हमको ये सबका साथ में दिखना मिलेगा.
हाँ.
ऐसा है ना. ओके.
हाँ. And when one person is editing, the other can also edit. So it's like a a shared Excel sheet where everybody will be able to edit it.
Oh, wow.
Ishita, I already sent.
Okay, yeah. On the Telegram group, right?
Yeah, ये chat group है ना अपना वो.
हाँ,
Telegram.
Magic everywhere.
Yeah.
Because यहाँ पे ये चैट में ना वो जैसे ही मैम लीव करेंगे मीटिंग तो वो चला जाएगा. So I'm not referring here.
Yeah. Okay.
Not on this chat, on our Telegram group.
On a Telegram group.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
ठीक है? Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
So yes, everyone will just do a quick visualization for the world, for Mother Earth. And okay, I can't see which one. Okay, so all of you please sit erect. Listen to the sound. Everyone can hear?
Yes.
Okay. Connect to the different voices. Connect to the vibration of every voice. And every time, so just focus on your breaths. अपने सांसों पे ध्यान देना है. Take a long inhalation and a longer exhalation. Breathe in deeply and breathe out, releasing all the unwanted thoughts, emotions, experiences, or just feeling happy and joyful as you inhale. The next inhalation, inhale happiness and joy. And again, exhale whatever is not required by you right now. Those thoughts, those feelings. And now bring in all those people who are having lack of money. Feel the abundance of money that you have right now. And you are starting your own circle of abundance. You are randomly walking on the road and giving money. Could be a 10 rupee note, it could be a 20 rupee note, it could be a 50 rupee note. Just looking into the eyes of that person with a smile and with a feeling of gratitude, you are giving that money to that person, whomever you feel like. Could be an auto rickshaw driver. It could be a cobbler, चाहे वो मोची हो जो बैठा है और सोच रहा है कुछ, और अचानक आप उसे जाके अपना वो amount you are giving that to him, and he feels so happy, so joyful, and you connect with the smile of that person. Feel it in your heart. It's your building watchman. And all of a sudden, unexpectedly, he receives that amount from you. And he says, thank you. And you are feeling so grateful to him that he gave you an opportunity to start a circle of abundance. Thank you. Thank you. And then you see the car cleaner and he's walking towards you. He's walking in his own inner space, thinking about something. And you understand the energies by which he was walking. You feel like approaching him and giving him the money which you have carried with you. And you give him unexpectedly, you say, Bhaiya, this is for you. Ye aapke liye hai. And he looks into your eyes with a feeling of surprise. Why? And you feel so happy to give him. And that happiness has got no limits. Nobody can describe that happiness. It's not about the amount that you're giving. It's about your intention to help that person. Thank you, universe, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much. And you ask the universe, universe, send me many people like this so that I can help them. Send me as many people as I can help. I'm so grateful. And then visualize the entire earth full of abundance, of money, of happiness, of relationship. The entire earth is full of health, complete, whole, perfect. Feel the earth being filled with golden light. Feel it. This golden light radiating from you into the heart of Mother Earth. If you feel like, you can take your palms above in front of your heart, and you can, your palms facing outward. If you want, you can do that. If you want, you can just sit the way you are, whichever way you feel like. Feel that joy, feel that excitement when you're doing this. Feel that happiness, feel that lightfulness, feel that weightlessness of your own body. You are the light and you are giving the light. You are the light workers. You are the light worker and you are spreading your light, your inner light, your powerful light, your grateful light, your humble light, the world. to the universe, to Mother Earth. Feel your heart dancing with joy and gratitude. Smile and say thank you. Thank you, universe, for giving me this chance. Thank you, universe, for giving me this opportunity of sharing whatever I have. And now say to yourself, I am a money magnet. I am a money magnet. I am a money magnet. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. So whenever you feel, you can open your eyes. And if anybody wants to talk or you don't want to talk, be in your own inner space wherever you are. You can take your time to open your eyes. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. And we'll meet tomorrow. Have a magical day. Have a wonderful day. Have a day full of gratitude. Have a day full of happiness and joy.
Thank you. Thank you.